Hello everyone! Bake with me using my Gabor air fryer. Gawa tayo ng burnt bast cheesecake. Madali lang ito guys. Kailangan lang natin ng 2 blocks of cream cheese, 3 eggs, 1 pack of all-purpose cream, all-purpose flour, vanilla, and white sugar. Kailangan din natin ng mixing bowl. Lalagay natin yung 2 blocks of cream cheese and then i-mix lang natin gamit itong electric mixer. Tapos unti-unti natin i-add yung 1 cup of white sugar. Tapos kapag na-mix nyo na yan, pwede na natin i-add yung 1 pack of all-purpose cream, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 4 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Imimix mo lang siya hanggang sa maghalo-halo na lahat na pinaglalagay mo dyan. Kailangan din pala natin ng pan. Itong ginamit ko is 6x3 and then lalagyan natin siya ng baking paper. Isisif lang natin yung cheesecake batter para mas smooth yung texture niya mamaya pagka-bake. Set lang natin ng 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. And voila! Ito na yung finished product natin.